Brad Williams, XL Prime. Section 2.11, entering fractions, an incredibly easy method that works for all. Okay, to enter a fraction value into a cell, leave a space between the whole number and the fraction. For example, to enter 6/7/8, enter 6/7/8 and then press enter. So we're going to go over to sheet 2 just to give you an idea. Enter equals 6.5. So enter 6 equals 6 space 1 slash half. Just go up to the formula bar and then press enter and you get 6.5. Or right click. So we're going to go to the shortcuts. So we're going to go right click, format cells, and you're going to have a bunch of different options here. Here we have fraction. And in this particular cell, you can have up to 1 digit, a quarter. So we just enter that and we go 5.25. Notice what I did? I just entered 5.25 and it entered 5.25. If you want to extend that further, you can go format cells, fractions. You can go to 2 digits, 5.25, 5 1/8. What it did is it went out to 2, go 5.125. So what it did is let's go 25.25, and I don't 0.18877. It's going out to the 2 decimals. If I want it to go out to 3 decimals, see 10.1877 can go out to 10 and 53. Let's go to format cells, fractions, 3 digits, so 0.1222225, and you can go, it's 89 and 7/28. So that's the fraction feature. Again, you can go space equals 6 space 25 equals 6 space 25. If you enter a fraction and you want a whole number, you can enter 6.257 equals and 1/3. Or you can go the other way and use the fraction technique. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for your time.